All right, so like I said, we're going to do 4. Okay, so we start out with a 5 by 3. Okay, and then I'm going to extrude it up 2. Create document. We're going to name this number 4. Okay. Now the next couple things, right, are based off of 100% your preferences. Okay, I like hiding these 2 planes, but you may not. So I'm going to do it just so I have this one plane. Okay. A common thing is people are like, well, I can't draw. Well, because you have to hit sketch and then choose the plane. If you don't have this big box that says sketch 1, 2, whatever sketch you're on, then you're not going to be able to draw. Okay. So you're going to click your rectangle tool from the center. You can just click. Okay. If you notice, this box pops up. This number will be 5. Enter. Then this number will be 3. Enter. The reason we did it that way is because now the perspective is the same as it is in these pictures. Okay? We click Finish, Extrude, click our shape. This goes up 2 inches. Okay? So this is how you start every single one of these. Okay? If that part makes sense. All right? If cutting out parts don't make sense, then I'll show you another way in a little bit. Okay? Next, like I said, I know I need to cut out a 1 by 1 through 5. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to go Sketch. I'm going to choose the side that I need to cut out. Get my rectangle tool. Okay. Again, I like to look at things straight on, so that's why I moved the view. Okay. From a corner that's missing, you click. Like I said, it's a 1, enter, 1, enter. Can draw this over here, click, 1, enter, 1, enter. Now, when I go to extrude it, I click both of those things, and I need to go the opposite way. So we click remove, and they go the whole way, so I click through all, and that's number 4. Okay, another way, which if this way doesn't make sense, if starting with a block and taking parts away doesn't make sense to you, okay, this next part may make more sense. So I'm just going to back up. Okay, sketch, start with my line tool. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw this shape. Okay, so I'm going to draw a 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, a lot of ones. All right. So I'm going to do that with my line tool. Let's go up 1 inch, over 1 inch, 1. Make sure, obviously, these are all straight lines. And then you just connect it. Okay, so if you notice, right, we drew that shape. Now the trick is to what do I extrude it up? Okay, I need to look at it from this perspective, and I need to figure that out. Okay, so if the whole thing's 5 inches and I drew it from this, I'm going up 5. So this number needs to be 5. Enter. Zoom it out, and now I have the same thing. Okay, obviously it is vertical as opposed to horizontal, but to me it looks the same, right? Okay, so that's 2 ways of how to make number 4. Okay, then remember, you go to OnShape, you click share, oops, click the one you want, you click share, you click public, make public, and there it's public, then you'll be able to copy those.